your phone constantly running out of space, even though you barely have photos, videos, or apps on it? The problem might be hidden folders quietly stuffing themselves with junk files. In this video, we're going to uncover those hidden folders and clean them out, step by step, using just your phone's built-in file manager. No extra apps needed. Stick around as I'll guide you using 2 different phones so everyone can follow along easily. Believe it or not, our phones have hidden folders where junk files quietly pile up. These folders can eat up gigabytes of storage without us noticing. So today, we'll explore how to delete junk files from your phone and free up memory the smart way. First, open your phone's built-in file manager. On some phones, it's called My Files, while on others, it's simply File Manager. Let's start by showing hidden folders. On one phone, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner, go to Settings, and turn on Show Hidden System Files. On another phone, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, select Settings, then enable Show Hidden Files. Now head back to the main screen of the File Manager. Tap on Internal Storage or Internal Memory depending on your phone. To view all your folders, on one phone tap Essentials All. On the other, just tap Folder. Next, we'll find a folder that stores every photo and video you've ever sent on WhatsApp. These are duplicate files that take up valuable space. Follow these steps. 1. Tap Android, Media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, Media. Scroll down and tap WhatsApp Images Sent. 3. Select all the files and tap Delete All. A pop-up may warn you that these images will be removed from your gallery. Don't worry, only the duplicates are being deleted. Now go back and repeat the same process for WhatsApp videos. Tap WhatsApp Videos, Sent, then select and delete all files there too. After that, go back again and locate the Trash folder in your file manager. Select all files and delete them to permanently remove the junk. Some phones may not have a trash folder here. If that's the case, open your Gallery app, tap on Albums, and check under Deleted Items. If still not found, don't worry. Most phones auto-delete these files after 60 days. Lastly, let's clean up app storage. 1. Open the Google Play Store. 2. Tap your profile photo in the upper right corner. 3. Go to Help and Feedback. 4. In the search bar, type Delete. 5. Select Delete Apps on your Android device. 6. Tap on Tap to go to Application Settings. 7. Choose Filter by Installed by You and Sort by Size. Now you'll see which apps use the most storage. Tap on one, say Facebook, then go to Storage. First, tap Clear Cache. If you're okay re-entering your login later, also tap Clear Data for a deeper clean. Just remember, if you forget your password, only clear the cache. Repeat this process for other large apps. And that's it. You've just cleared a massive amount of hidden junk without installing anything new. Did this cleanup help you free up memory on your phone? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful video like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.